good.
I don't know the thickness though. I don't know how thick it should be.
Maybe you just get it out to the side of it.
Yes, I think this is good. Yes. Wow.
Is it good?
Yes.
Did you ask her if the thickness, how, if...
This is good, I think. Yes.
Yeah, check it.
हाँ थोड़ा और इसको थोड़ा और वो करो
फिर पतली है जा
फिर पतली हो जाएगी ना
अब बस बस
बस
बस
ठीक है हाँ ठीक है अब आप हमारे खिलाओगे ना बना के आपके वहाँ आएंगे जब
वो कपड़ों
See that's model, right? The thing that they. It's a reason. All part of
आटा आटा गूंदा तक ही
फिर ये रोटी बना कौन खाओगे? खाते ना, पर इन लोग क्या रोटी नहीं बनती, ये लोग बनाते हैं, ये दोनों रोटी बनाते हैं, पर वहाँ विदेश में लोग रोटी नहीं खाते।
तो फिर खाएगा
सारी सब्जियाँ एक में मेल के, मांस मेल के और मिला के खा लेते हैं।
अच्छा मांसाहारी खाना खाते हैं
जो मांसाहारी खाते हैं वो जैसे एक कटोरा लेके उसमें मांस और सब्जियाँ सब डाल के और ऐसे जैसे अपने ये होता है ना चूल्हा होता है ना इनके ऐसे एक बक्स जैसा बंद होता है उसमें डालते हैं उसमें सब चीज़ पक जाती है उसको निकाल के खाते हैं।
fresh.
Stove?
Yeah.
Stove. And the techniques are not that different from Indian cooking at all.
Okay. But isn't it very common that you would put all kinds of vegetables and then kind of bake them
In a microwave?
In the oven, maybe.
oven or
Yeah, you
yeah?
could do. Yeah.
It's
Fairly
Like
common.
for example,
Not
isn't
very-
isn't it common that you'll have potatoes and meat and things like that?
Like a stew or something. Yeah, yeah, you could do.
I have an oven, but I hardly, I use it to bake cake or pie,
Okay.
or sometimes I put some chicken or meat in it, so it can, but most of the time I just use the stove and fresh vegetables with rice or potato.
So generally people use stove?
yeah.
But I think they use both.
Both.
Yeah,
Because
I
I've heard
use the
people
stove a
say
lot.
that, yeah.
But sometimes I make something with, say, cauliflower. You cook this lightly on the stove and then you put it into a pan with sauce. And then you put it in the oven with
Yeah.
cheese.
Yeah.
And then it's kind of bakes nicely.
Yeah.
That's then you eat that with rice or potatoes.
Yeah.
You can do it with anything really. I think a lot of people do that.
Yeah. That's why I heard that, that sounds good.
But it's probably simpler and easier to use the hob and just the pot.
And it depends on what you make. There are different recipes, different ways of preparing something. But I would say 80% of the recipes that we cook like my family, because I'm not a typical European cook, 80% would be on the stove.
But
Yeah.
generally, is it not common that you would just mix like things and cook one thing? Rather like in India, we will have 5 different things. No?
Sometimes,
I mean, there are some dishes.
yeah, like a stew, like you have in Ireland or that.
Yeah.
Like in the US, they call it casserole,
Yeah.
where they
But
have
that's
all
one-
kinds of things
Yeah.
put in one thing and then.
Yeah, I think every country has like their adaptation of that. So that's one dish out of like many dishes.
And like from the students from Netherlands, they generally say that they eat a lot of potatoes, so they kind of put